here's the situation. I'm going for a trip to the Tour du Mont Blanc. It's 10 days of hiking, 100 miles. We're going to be staying called refugios, or these little huts. They're dormitories. There's probably about 20 people per room. I'm thinking I'm going to go crazy. People snoring, coughing, making all kinds of noises. I need Bluetooth headsets, for white noise, and I need sleep masks to block out the light because people are going to be coming and going all night long, getting up to the bathroom. All right, so I actually purchased 6 different sleep masks. Thought I'd give them a try. 3 of them I returned right away because they just were not comfortable at all, and 3 of them I kept, and I went ahead and used them. One of them is by far the best. I've been using it for 8 months now in anticipation for my trip, and I'm going to review all 3 of those. These are the 3 sleep masks I'm going to be reviewing today. Number 1 is the Manta sleep mask, which is by far the most expensive. The second one is the Music Cozy. I actually purchased a couple different types of these. I just kept one of them. And then we have the Top Point mask. And this, I believe, these 2 are about the same price. That one's way more expensive. So let's go ahead and review those in terms of, I'm going to talk about how well they block the light, comfort level, how loud the speakers are, which was really important to me, and how long the batteries last. All right, so this is the most expensive, the highest quality of all of them, the Manta sleep mask. All right, so in terms of light, it does a great job of blocking the light. I was very impressed. The only thing is, and these come off, by the way, so you can adjust them. Unfortunately, when I put this on my face, my nose is right here. It pressed so hard that it makes me congested. I can't breathe through my nose. But if I loosen it up where I'm not congested anymore, it doesn't block the light out enough. So that was really frustrating for me. And then we have, it's all flat and it looks like it connects together nice and smoothly, but it bugs me. With the back of my head, I could feel the lumps, the edges, so that was frustrating as well. From a sound standpoint, all right, so you can adjust the speakers nicely. It goes so it goes right over your ear, which is cool, great adjustability, and they don't move around at night. So the only thing is, as far as the loudness, I use the earplugs, these wax earplugs, and so the speakers need to go really loud for me to get the white, so I can hear the white noise to block out snoring, and they just don't go that loud. And I keep having to tighten them tighter and tighter to try to get it closer to my ear, and it's to the point where it gives me a headache, and it just doesn't go that loud. So I was really frustrated with this. I tried it out several nights, and yeah, I'm just not going to use it anymore. That's unfortunate. So that's my review for the Manta sleep mask. Yeah, this one here, this one's actually quite comfortable. Stays on my face. The speakers are decent loudness, not quite as loud as this other one. The thing is, though, it just doesn't block the light that well. These flaps, it just doesn't do the trick. I couldn't block all the light out. So I was a little frustrated with that, but figured, what the heck. It's a good backup to have. And then let's talk about this one. This is my favorite. I've been using it now for 8 months, every night. Top Point. It's only about around 25 bucks. And what's so cool about it, so look, as far as blocking light, it's got this fabric here, and it does a really good job blocking the light. And it's very comfortable. It's got a really thin strap. The only thing I had to do is the strap was a little bit long, and so I took some scissors and I snipped it off. But the most important thing, what I really like, is the volume of the speakers. They go really, really loud to the point where I don't need to go full blast. But when I have the earplugs in there, and I turn this on with white noise hooked up to my Bluetooth to my iPhone, I put down the sound of a hairdryer. It's amazing. I can block out amazing amount of sound. What I do is I went on YouTube. I went into the snoring channel. I put the sound of somebody snoring. All right, so I went on YouTube. I just typed in snoring sound, And I got this whole list of different channels. 1 hour snoring. Oh, let's see, here's more. Oh, there's a good one. 10 hours of snoring. That's me right there. All right, we're gonna put that on. Oh boy. Holy cow. Think you could block that out? Yeah, I'll just go down here to my computer, turn up the volume. All right, 100%. Whew. That's pretty loud. It's the ultimate test. All right, so this is what it looks like. New, just taking out the box first time here. All right, that's what a brand new one looks like. Okay, and comes with a little carrying case. You got a recharging cord. Oh, they even give you some earplugs to wear too. That's kind of cool. Yeah, so that's it. So now I got two of them. Got my original and my backup. Top Point Bluetooth sleep mask, by far the best choice, only around 25 bucks. All right, so here's the charging port. And then if you want to see what the speaker looks like, just pull it out right here. There's the speaker. So it's nice, you can pull them out. If you want to wash it, you can pull all the electronics out. Put it through the wash and dry. It's got a nice little zipper. Everything stays in there. There it is. The battery. So on a full charge, I could typically go 2 full nights before it goes dead, which is awesome. So if I forget to charge it one night, it's still good for the next night.